Hello, first grade. This week in social studies, we're going to talk about goods and services. Goods are things made for people to buy. Let's look at some examples. Cake is something that you can buy, a skateboard, books, an apple, and a helmet. All of these things are things that you can buy, so they are all goods. Can you think of any other examples? A service is a work or a duty that someone does for another person. Let's look at some examples of services. A doctor provides patients with a service. They help people when they're sick. A teacher teaches students about different things like English or social studies or science. They provide a service. Cafeteria workers provide a service by providing people with food, just like at school. Can you think of other examples? Who else provides you with a service? Consumers are people who pay for goods or services. So when you are buying something, whether it's food or clothes or toys, you're a consumer. Or if you are getting a service like going to see the doctor, you're also a consumer. Producers are people who make goods or provide services for customers. So a doctor would be a producer because they are providing people with the service. And anyone who makes the things that you buy, like toys or games, would also be a producer. Let's watch this video to learn some more information. Now that we've learned some more about what goods and services are, I'm going to show you some pictures. I want you to tell me if it is a picture of a good or a service. Just a reminder, a good is something that you can buy, and a service is something that people can provide you with. All right, let's look at our first set of pictures. There's a dress and a shirt. They're clothes. Is this a good or a service? Clothes are a good. They're something that you can buy. This is a picture of a mailman delivering mail. Is this a good or a service? This is a service. He is doing something for another person. He's delivering their mail. This is a picture of a babysitter. Is this a good or a service? This is a service. She is providing a service by watching these children for their parents. Pokemon cards. Are these a good or a service? Pokemon cards are a good. They're something that you can buy. This is a nurse. She takes care of people in the hospital. Is she a good or a service? She provides people with a service. In this picture, you see a lot of different fruits. Is this a good or a service? Fruit are goods. They're things that we can buy. In the next video, Ms. Clark will tell you more about goods and services, and she will tell you what your assignment is for this week.